Oh my God, quit!
Yo, sorry I look all trashy, man. Sorry, I just, I'm getting ready. I'm all sweaty. It's hot. They cut the power because apparently they do that every month or something. We are heading to Cebu. We're going to be spending our time in Cebu. So there's going to be a lot more content. So y'all got to watch out for that. And we'll see you guys there. Alright, y'all, so here we are. There was another rough trip, man. Our flight got delayed and we got to the hotel at 3 a.m. in the morning. So we're doing our first activity today, and I believe we are going to be looking at some falls. I don't know if there's going to be some swimming involved, but regardless, there's going to be a lot of sceneries. I was not prepared today. I'm going to ask my sister for some toothpaste, so I can brush my teeth and get ready. Some toothpaste. Sure. Thank you. I believe we're hiking down to the falls, so we're gonna see the first fall that they have, I guess. And then we'll go to a different one, but so far I don't know if we're gonna go swimming. They're giving us a vest on, so I'm assuming we're gonna go swimming. I'll be honest with you guys right now, this reminds me of that show, Naked and Afraid. That bridge was lightweight scary. Waterfalls. Yo, so the hike isn't that bad. I mean, I know I look pretty bad, but trust me, it's not that bad. Yo, so we made it to our destination, man. It will be that little pool right there where we get to swim at, chill for a bit, you know? Honestly, I'm proud of Babe. It was a tough hike. It was a really tough hike. Baby pulled it off. Here's my boy Kevin. Kevin, hi. It's already been a minute recording, dude. I haven't gone down yet. Alright. 3, 2. Okay. Felt it in my stomach, bro. Alright. 3, 2. Realized the coolest thing about this fall that we're going into right now, people made these things that bounces. We stopped by because we couldn't go any further. Couldn't bring the camera because of this thing right here. Right, you gotta swim under over there. So there's like a little hole you gotta swim under. Not able to bring this camera, so I'm staying here, and I'm going to enjoy it by myself. This thing is for me. This whole thing right here. Alright, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Battery is already at 1%, or not 1%, it's got 1 bar in it. To sum up the whole trip and our first activity, it really like challenged like myself and Daisy. I believe today will be the hardest day, because there's a lot of hiking, there's a lot of climbing up and stuff, and even I myself, who's lived there, isn't even really used to it. Overall, to sum up the trip, it was really amazing. It was one heck of an experience. For those of you guys that's never been to Cebu, who's never checked out some of like the falls over here, all the other stuff that they have, I suggest you guys do it, man. But this is first day, so you guys tune into the next one. If you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and slap a like, and also do not forget to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos. And also keep commenting down any requests, any song requests you guys want us to do. We'll react to it as soon as we could. As far as we could provide you guys, this is gonna be vlogs for now. But again, this is the start of 2020. Let's bring some new content in. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Salute.